Following breaking news now in the Susan Embert trial, we found out today that an incident could lead to a mistrial in that case.
In the last hour, the first day of testimony abruptly ended and the judge sent the jury home.
WALB News 10's Mackenzie Petrie has been in the courtroom. Mackenzie, explain to us exactly what happened.
Well, Carla, Ashanti, as Dougherty County Coroner Michael Fowler was on the stand, he spoke on alleged evidence that wasn't supposed to be mentioned in this retrial, and that's when the defense immediately objected.
All right, Mackenzie, what exactly did Judge Victoria Johnson allow next?
Well, Ashanti, after that, Judge Johnson removed the jury from the courtroom, and then the defense asked for a mistrial. And of course, the state objected to that mistrial. But Judge Johnson says that she would like to hear both arguments with case law before she actually makes a decision. Now, it is important to note that the decision will be between if the mistrial is a mistrial with prejudice or a mistrial without prejudice. And if it is with prejudice, this trial will never be, it'll be dismissed and it'll never be able to be brought up again. And Judge Johnson says if it is without prejudice, then she will be retrying this case Monday morning. And that will be with a new jury. This case will totally be starting over.
All right, Mackenzie, well, that is definitely some breaking news there. We know that you have been following this, and we know that you will continue to keep us updated on air. But Mackenzie, what was the reaction of everybody in the courtroom when Judge Johnson ruled that and the jury was dismissed?
Well, Ashanti, literally as you could expect. I mean, me, myself, there's other reporters in there, the crowd, the family, they were physically upset, as you could see. And even some of the family members got out and walked out of the courtroom at the moment.
And I do have a copy of the order which actually granted the defendant's motion to exclude expert testimony. And this was just signed yesterday by Judge Victoria Johnson. So again, you said the defense immediately objected to that testimony, and this is why.
Yes. It just happened to be a misspoke on Coroner Fowler's. As soon as he said it, the defense immediately objected and the state went forward.
Now, Mackenzie, have you actually seen anything like this? We know that you have been following court cases for a time now. Have you actually seen a second mistrial possibility moving forward in any cases that you have covered?
You know, Ashanti, that's actually what I was just thinking about before we got on this live stream. It's kind of different. You know, she had a trial previously. Now this is a retrial, and then if it's a mistrial again with prejudice, then it'll be gone. But if it's without, it could be tried again for a third time. So I've never seen anything like this.
Okay, thank you so much, Mackenzie. We, of course, will be awaiting the judge's decision in the morning. Stay with us here on air and online at WALB.com for any update.